This morning we're here continuing the project we started, I want to say 3-4 days back. Pretty sure this is the 4th day now. All we have to do today is pick up all the stump grinds, and then we have a couple stumps that need to get grinded down. Pretty sure it's like 3 or 4. Not too big. I already knocked out all the big ones. Yesterday I came by before it rained. We actually didn't work yesterday, so I came by really quick, knocked out as many stumps as I could. I was only able to knock out maybe 3 or 4, but today we're back here. We're gonna finish up picking up all these stump grinds, knock all that out, finish up stump grinding that, clean up all this driveway, make sure that's all nice and clean, clean up all this grass, leave that all nice. The guys right now are filling up all the machines. We got our stump grinder completely full. Brought our tractor over so we could load up all the stump grinds into the GMC that we have there. We got our International just because we brought the stump grinder and the Mini with us, so we're going to use these two to pick up the stump grinds into the GMC. It's going to be much easier with the tractor to be able to reach over the top, but we could fill the back end with this Mini as well. Right now what I'm doing is I'm getting all the trailers disconnected from the trucks. I got this one here set up for Joni. He's got a couple piles there that he has to pick up, and then he can pick up the ones on that right side there. All the ones on the grass, I want him to do it with the Mini. That way I don't have to pass with the tractor. I think I'm going to set myself up the International up there. That way I could just handle that. My initial plan was to set up the truck there for both of us and then me bring all the stuff here. But then I risked making a mess on the driveway. I'd rather have a truck nearby that I could move myself, and this one could be much closer to Joni. That way he could pick up those piles pretty quick. up with this first stump. Luckily this was actually the biggest one out of all of them. It was huge. Honestly, this was about the size of the stump. We still have a little bit there that we have to stump grind. We have a root here, a couple little spots that we got to clean up still. I think I did a pretty good job cleaning it up. I flattened it out the best I can. I cleaned up all this grass, left it all nice and clean. I got the international moved over to there. Those shouldn't be too difficult. Plus we don't have this hill that we have to deal with. So let's move on to that one, start knocking them out. All right, little update. So Joni finished up with all the stumps over there. Those are all nicely cleaned up. Jonathan's over there cleaning up the ones in the back. My pops is actually here on the tractor. He actually knocked out a couple while I was gone dumping I dumped the GMC and the International. We're moving right along. It's taking a bit longer than we expected, but now that we have Joni on this side with the Mini, and then we have my pops on the tractor, it should be much quicker. We're gonna keep filling this International up. We'll take it over to get it dumped, and then we'll bring the GMC so they can load that up while I'm gone getting this truck dumped. They're almost done filling up that International. I'm gonna start cleaning this up so Jonathan can pass by with the blower and clean up all the grass, leave that all nice and clean. You can see we have those all flat, this one all flat, we have that one in the back all flat. All these on the other side of the grass are all ready to go. I'm gonna start flattening these out. These, all that's left is just flatten it out, clean up the grass, leave that all nice and clean. You can see they're over, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4. They're on the 5th one, and then we have a couple more. The other ones are pretty small, so they should be quick. Now it's really just taking the trucks to get dumped and coming back really quick so they could keep filling it up, and we'll keep going like that until we finish the day. We're trying to get out a bit early today, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're all done for the day. The guys are just getting all the machines on the trailers. We still got to get the tractor on that the trailer that the Ram has. GMC is completely emptied. We're all ready to go. Gonna walk around a bit just to show you guys a little bit of what we got done. We try to clean up this driveway the best we can. Passed the tractor with the roll on it, just cleaning it up. We knocked out all the stumps, cleaned them up the best we can. The customer is actually going to do some topsoil, seed, and straw, just not right now. He asked us to flatten it out the best we can, so we took a bunch of the stump grinds out, cleaned up all the grass area the best we could, and then flattened out the area the best we can. But you can see here, we cleaned up all the grass area. I'm not going to walk all the way down so I could help the guys get that all strapped up, but you can see all these stumps were completely done. All the ones along that fence line there were completely cleaned up as well, left all nice and clean. With a little bit of topsoil and seed and straw, you won't even notice this. Maybe fix up this edge a little bit better. And the customer is actually super happy with the job. You guys should have seen how big these trees were. All completely dead, probably have been here for years. We got them done. It took us about a week to complete this job. Forget exactly how many trees it was, but all of them were huge. You can see my pops here is passing the machine. That's actually a pre-seeder. It's not really even meant for this. It might work pretty well in this area here. It's really nice. You can see him passing by. we're all done for the day. The guys are all ready to go. It's already getting dark, so we might as well end the video here. I want to thank anybody who took their time out of the day to watch the video. Any questions, any comments, any tips for me, leave them down below. Catch you guys next time.